Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the PC. This prevents hardware damage. Once done, ground yourself to avoid static that can fry the SSD. Next, locate a free 2, 5 bay or a 3, 5 adapter bracket and an open SATA header on the motherboard so you know where the cable will go. Make sure you have a SATA cable, a SATA power connector from the PSU, and small mounting screws. These are essential to physically secure the drive before connecting anything. Now you connect the SSD. Attach one end of the SATA cable to the SSD and the other to a motherboard SATA port. Routing neatly prevents airflow blockage and accidental strain. Then, plug the SATA power cable from the PSU into the SSD, pressing until it clicks to ensure a solid electrical connection. After both cables are seated, mount the SSD into the bay or adapter bracket and fasten screws gently but securely. Make sure the drive sits flush to avoid vibration and alignment issues. Finish by closing the case, reconnecting power, and booting into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the SSD appears. This verifies the physical connection. Once detected, boot into your OS and initialize or format the drive with disk management, or run cloning software if you transferred your system. If the OS does not see the SSD, make sure cables are fully seated. Try a different SATA port or cable, and verify SATA mode is ASI in BIOS. These quick checks solve most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.